Billions of dollars are spent every year on pills and expensive workout programs, yet millions of Americans over 70 still feel their legs getting weaker by the day. After years of working with older adults, I can tell you for certain, it's not about how hard you try, it's about having the right strategy. Try this right now. Sit down and stand back up without using your hands. If you feel heavy, or if your legs hesitate for even a second, that is a red flag for silent muscle loss. But here is the good news. You can completely reawaken your legs right at home with no gyms and no pills. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 science-backed exercises, ranked from basic to the most effective for rebuilding leg strength after 70. In particular, the #1 exercise, which seems almost too simple to believe, is the key to dramatically improving leg power in just weeks. Before we begin, please comment your age and where you are watching from. I personally read every single one of your comments. Exercise number 5, the lateral leg raise. Do not let its simplicity fool you. This is a gold standard exercise for improving balance and rebuilding hip strength after the age of 70. Stand behind a sturdy chair or next to a kitchen counter. Lightly place one hand on the surface for support. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, and keep your chest open. Now slowly lift your right leg out to the side. Keep the knee straight, but not stiff. Here is the most important detail. Your toes must always point forward. One of the biggest mistakes people make is turning the toes outward, and that immediately reduces the activation of the target muscles. As you lift the leg, do not lean your body to the opposite side, trying to raise the leg higher. Keep your torso upright. You only need to raise the leg about 6 to 12 inches off the floor. Let the hip do the work, not your lower back. Once the leg reaches the top position, hold it there for 1 full second. Then slowly lower the leg back down over 2 to 3 seconds. Do not let the leg drop freely. That slow lowering phase is where the muscles are truly rebuilt. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions on each side for a total of 3 sets. And here is something remarkable. If this exercise starts feeling easier after a few weeks, add a light ankle weight of about 2 pounds. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Rehabilitation, adding just 2 pounds of resistance increased muscle activation by 41%. Do this exercise 3 times per week, and soon you will begin noticing steadier steps and more confidence walking around your own home. Exercise number 4, the reverse lunge. This movement is excellent for rebuilding leg strength while placing much less stress on the knees than traditional forward lunges. Stand tall with your feet about hip-width apart. If you need extra support, stand beside a chair, wall, or kitchen counter and lightly hold it with one hand. Now slowly step your right foot backward and land softly on the ball of your back foot. As your foot touches the floor, bend both knees slowly and under control. Your front knee should stay directly above your ankle and should not move too far past your toes. Lower your body only as far as feels comfortable. Your back knee moves toward the floor, but it does not need to touch it. Then push firmly through the heel of your front foot to return to the starting position. That heel drive is what activates the leg and hip muscles properly. Take about 2 seconds to lower yourself down. Pause briefly at the bottom. Then take another 2 seconds to rise back up. Do not rush the movement. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that older adults performing slow, controlled lunges experienced 44% greater quadriceps activation compared to fast repetitions. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions per leg for a total of 3 sets. And here is something important. A biomechanics study from the University of Delaware found that reverse lunges produce 26% less shear force on the knee joint compared to forward lunges, which is why this variation feels much safer and more stable for many older adults. If the exercise becomes easier after a few weeks, you can hold light dumbbells at your sides or take a slightly longer step backward to increase the challenge. Do this exercise 3 times per week, and many older adults notice better control going down stairs, stepping off curbs, and moving with much more confidence during everyday activities. Next, we move to one of the most overlooked muscle groups when it comes to controlling your steps, the hamstrings. Weak hamstrings are exactly why many adults over 70 lose momentum and fall forward more easily. Think of these muscles as your body's natural braking system. Exercise number 3, the single leg Romanian deadlift. Do not let the name worry you. This is actually a very simple hinge movement, but it is extremely effective for balance. Stand on your left leg with a slight bend in the knee. Do not lock the knee joint. You can lightly place your left hand on a chair or countertop for support. Now slowly hinge your body forward from the hips, while extending your right leg straight behind you. Imagine your body like a seesaw. As your chest lowers down, your back leg naturally rises up behind you. And here is the most important part. Keep your back completely straight. Do not round your spine or let your shoulders collapse forward. You should feel a gentle stretch along the back of your standing leg. That means the muscles are working. You only need to lower your body about halfway toward the floor. There is no need to force yourself to touch the ground with your hands. To return to the starting position, gently squeeze your glutes and hamstrings to pull yourself back upright. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions on each leg for a total of 3 sets. And here is an important expert tip. A clinical study published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy found that maintaining a straight spine during hip hinge movements reduced lower back stress by 38%. That is why you should always keep your chest open and control the movement slowly. Do not rush this exercise. Start with body weight only and use a chair for support. As your confidence improves, you can gradually reduce how much assistance you use from your hand. Perform this exercise 2 to 3 times per week for stronger, steadier, and more confident steps on every surface. Exercise number 2, the heel elevated squat. Raising the heels slightly makes the squat feel smoother, deeper, and much easier on the lower back for many older adults. First, place something under your heels. A small wooden board, a rolled towel, or a pair of low-weight plates works perfectly. Your heels only need to be elevated about 1 to 2 inches off the floor. Now stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Your heels stay on the elevated surface while the front of your feet stays on the floor. Place your hands comfortably in front of your chest or lightly together for balance. Keep your chest open and your shoulders relaxed. Now slowly lower yourself down by bending your knees and pushing your hips slightly backward. Go only as low as feels comfortable for your knees and hips. Ideally, your thighs move close to parallel with the floor, but there is no need to force depth. And here is one of the most important details. Your knees should move outward in the same direction as your toes. Do not let the knees collapse inward. At the bottom position, pause for 1 full second, then press firmly through your feet to stand back up slowly. Keep your chest open and your core gently tight throughout the movement. Do not rush the repetitions. Perform 8 to 12 repetitions for a total of 3 sets. Start slowly and focus on control first. Strength and stability will improve naturally over time. And now, it is time for the most important exercise on this entire list. The one movement that targets the exact type of strength older adults lose the fastest, but also regain the fastest when trained correctly. And now we come to the most important exercise on this entire list. Just like I mentioned earlier, the one that seems almost too simple to believe, yet is the key to dramatically improving leg power in just weeks. Exercise number 1. The eccentric step down. This exercise is so powerful because the slow lowering phase creates one of the strongest muscle building signals older adults can activate for rebuilding leg strength fast. Stand on a sturdy step or staircase about 6 to 8 inches high. Place your entire left foot firmly on the step while your right foot hangs slightly off the edge. Lightly hold a railing or wall for balance support if needed. Now slowly bend your left knee and lower your right foot toward the floor below. The key here is slow lowering. Do not rush this part. Take a full 4 to 5 seconds to lower yourself down. You can even count slowly in your head. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. By the end of the count, your right heel should lightly touch the floor below. Then use both legs to step back up into the starting position. The lowering phase is the entire purpose of this exercise. That slow, controlled descent is what forces the muscles to rebuild strength rapidly. Perform 6 to 8 repetitions on one leg before switching sides. Complete 3 total sets. You may feel soreness in the front of your thighs the first few times you do this exercise. That is completely normal. It is a sign the muscle fibers are being stimulated in a very powerful way. And here is where the science becomes fascinating. A study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that eccentric training stimulates something called sarcomeriogenesis, the creation of new contractile units inside the muscle fibers themselves. This type of adaptation is one of the main reasons eccentric exercises produce such dramatic improvements in leg strength and real-world movement. That means better control going downstairs, better stability stepping off curbs, better balance catching yourself during a stumble. Researchers also found that increasing the lowering phase from 3 seconds to 6 seconds boosted quadriceps strength gains by an additional 24%. So when it comes to this exercise, slower truly is better. And here is the most important thing I want you to remember. Getting older does not automatically mean getting weaker. Your muscles are still capable of rebuilding strength well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. What they need is the right kind of stimulus and consistent movement. That is why these exercises matter so much. They are not designed to make you look athletic. They are designed to help you walk with confidence, move safely, protect your independence, and keep doing the everyday things that matter most. Do not feel like you need to master all 5 exercises immediately. Start with the one that feels easiest and safest for your body right now. The key is consistency. Even a few minutes of controlled movement several times per week can create noticeable changes in strength, balance, and confidence over time. And if you are starting today, leave a comment below with your age and where you are watching from. I truly enjoy reading your stories and hearing about your progress. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe so you do not miss future videos designed specifically to help older adults stay strong, stable, and independent. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.